Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Paramount Plus error 6013. If you are having trouble with this error, follow these easy steps to solve it. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or slow connection can cause streaming issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, clear the cache and cookies in your browser or app. If you are using a browser, go to your browser settings, find the privacy section and clear browsing data. If you are using the app, try clearing the app cache from your device settings. Make sure your Paramount Plus app or browser is up to date. If you are using the app, head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Paramount Plus and tap Update if an update is available. Sometimes a simple restart can help. Restart your device and try logging into Paramount Plus again to if the error is resolved. If the error still persists, it's time to reach out to Paramount Plus support. They can help you with more specific troubleshooting steps. And that's it. You should now be able to fix error 6013 on Paramount Plus. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.